Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of reporting announcements in a community on WhatsApp. By reporting announcements, you can help maintain the quality and integrity of your community. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on your community. Step 3. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the page. Step 4. Select Community Info. Step 5. Look for the specific announcement you want to report. Step 6. Tap on Report Announcements. Step 7. Finally, click on Report to submit your report. By following these steps, you can easily report any inappropriate or misleading announcements within your WhatsApp community. Your report will help the moderators take appropriate action to maintain a positive environment. Remember, reporting announcements is an important responsibility in ensuring the quality and trustworthiness of your community. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.